Keep quiet.
Kwani we ni nani?
Mimi ni mwalimu. Who do you think I am?
Daktari wako.
Eti daktari. Daktari anafanya nini darasani? Okay, have you finished your exams? When did you finish?
Leo.
That is why you are making noise in class. How was the paper? What is the meaning of that? Okay, you are going to pass or you are going to fail? That is what I was waiting for. Because the papers were very easy. Like this question here. Bukuku, are you seeing this question? Good, very easy. Christine, are you seeing it? So you mean you can't see it and we even did it in class?
Hebu fanya tena.
This one is very easy. Young man, what can you say?
Hebu fanya tena.
No, that one will be a waste of time. I just wanted to confirm that if you choose to fail, you will just fail. So in simple terms, maamuzi yako
Matokeo ya kesho.
Matokeo ya kesho. Good. So inabidi ufanye nini?
Amua vema upate mema.
Good. If not, utasikia